energy from nature, how some of us are seem biologically predisposed this parapsychological phenomenon. You have to understand elements: earth, fire, air, water. The water possess, from an animistic perspective, everything is conscious. There's no such thing as lack of consciousness. Everything that exists possesses consciousness. It's the level of consciousness. I am in nature. I am downloading energy and simultaneously downloading information. All elements of nature possess a level of consciousness. We might possess a higher level of consciousness relative with that respect to a rock or a piece of wood. They all possess a level of consciousness. When you're in nature, the question is, how do you absorb the energy from, let's say, water? How do you extract energy from the earth? How do you extract energy from fire? How do you extract energy from air? And that is the ability. It's kind of like, it's like a metaphysical phenomena. It's a deep-seated esoteric phenomena that some of us become predisposed to. And that predisposition is all the things that